In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Pause on Finished Image option in Sports Photo Automation 8. I am probably more excited about this feature than I am about anything else that changed in SPA 8, and that is because in version 7, this was not available on Mac, and on Windows it did not even work very well. Now with Windows and Mac on version 8, this is flawless. When you check this on, you will get 2 additional checkboxes. I'll be discussing these in their own video. This video was only discussing if you have the first checkbox on. Now what this option does is it will pause after each composite and allow you to edit that composite in Photoshop, and then when you hit continue it's going to move on. So if you've used this on version 7 on Windows, you would notice that you did not have full Photoshop access. With version 8 you do. There's no restrictions because with the way the API works in the new plugins API in Photoshop, I was able to program this to completely pause all code execution, so there is nothing slowing Photoshop down and nothing hindering you in Photoshop. So you could, for example, move the player around. You could scale them if you needed to. If you needed to sharpen, you could sharpen your image. Just whatever it is that you need to do. You could grab a paintbrush or an eraser tool and touch up your image itself. You could run an action. Like I say, it's full Photoshop access here. So, for instance, we've got a grunge-like action here. You could run that, or any other actions that you want to run for that matter. And this action, by the way, that I just ran to add that effect, those are available on the Pixnub website. But like I mentioned, it's just full Photoshop access to do whatever you want. You could change the player name. I think you get the idea here, but if you did not want to use a CSV, you could stop on each image, change the text. And there's also another way to change text by stopping, which is a little more quick than this. And I'll show that in another video, but just to show you that you can do anything you want in Photoshop, and as soon as you hit continue, that is going to finish saving the image, and it's going to build your next composite. And again, this is going to stop so you can edit. So this is just a really cool way to have an automation system but still allow you to customize each image as it's building and save you a lot of time versus having to put the composites together manually. So really, really cool. And I think this is a really good reason to make the switch up to SPA 8. And there's a lot of other reasons that Sports Photo Automation 8 is a lot better than version 7. So I'll be covering those in other videos as well. And if you've not used the Sports Photo Automation and you just watched this video and you were curious, please be sure to visit our website. That is pixnub.com.